Well, tubers have been pressure washing the hanger here today, and Spike's just been right there while I'm pressure washing. Here's a boy, already used about a quarter of that. So here's some of our aeroplanes out here. Eindecker 3/4 scale or something like that. Of course, an L4. Lots of trash. Anybody want anything out of there, come get it. Here's the Chump. This is actually a more or less a scratch-built Champ, and this is Vernon's Kit Fox, which I've done a few videos of it. So, and this is my boy Cliff here. He's not gonna turn around. There we go. Of course, y'all know Spike. So, anyway, that's what I've been doing today, is cleaning up the well, after church anyways, come out. And, it's an L4. So, anyway, that's what's been going on today. There you go, and God bless.